Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Gobi Manchurian or cauliflower Manchurian is truly one of the most satisfying meals of all times. It's really hard to control your hunger when the Manchurian sauce simmers away, filling your kitchen with aromas. The first step is to chop or break the cauliflower into medium to small size florets. Next is to heat water in a pot and allow it to come to a boil. Rinse the cauliflower florets and add them to the hot water. Add some salt and let the cauliflower florets get blanched in the water for 15 to 20 minutes. Later, drain out the water and keep them aside. Meanwhile, in a bowl, mix together the ingredients for making the batter. Here goes in cornstarch, gram flour, salt to taste, and soy sauce. Combine the ingredients well, followed by adding warm water little by little, and keep whisking until a smooth batter without any lumps is formed. Now, dip the blanched cauliflower floret in the batter and make sure it's equally coated. It's time to deep fry the cauliflower. Start by adding enough oil and once hot, carefully drop in the dipped pieces. You can either deep fry like this or shallow fry depending on your diet or preferences. Flip them over for a couple of times so that the florets are evenly fried and light brown in color. The secret to a nice and crispy cauliflower is to fry them twice. Yes, you need to dip the fried florets again in the batter and double fry them. This process gives a crunchy and crispy layer around the florets. If you don't want them as how I mentioned now, simply skip this step. Heat oil in a frying pan over high heat. Add finely chopped garlic and ginger and stir fry them for a few seconds. Add chopped bell peppers and chopped onions. Continue to stir fry until they are 60 to 70% cooked. A pinch of salt helps fasten the process as it tends to release moisture quickly from the veggies. Here goes in the soy sauce, red chili sauce, vinegar, and salt to taste. Here I am adding the remaining batter which was used to coat the florets. This will give a nice, tangy and thick consistency to the sauce. Add little water and adjust the consistency to how thick you would like it. Cook for a minute and then toss in the fried cauliflower florets. Now mix well until each floret is coated well with the sauce. Adding a pinch of sugar at this point really enhances the taste. So make sure adding it. This dish is usually served in two ways. The dry version and one with the sauce, that is the gravy version. My version is somewhere between the two. It doesn't really have a lot of gravy, but it's not completely dry either. So you can serve it both ways. Do give a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. See you soon!